In fact, the Delhi police now, in the meanwhile, mentions CPIM General Secretary Sitaram Yechury, Swaraj Abhiyan leader Yogendra Yadav, economist Jayati Ghosh and Delhi University Professor Apurva Anand in a supplementary charge sheet in February riots in Delhi. Delhi police say that the names are part of the disclosure statement of one of the accused in connection with the organizing and addressing the anti-CAA protests. In a series of tweets, Yechury accused the Modi government of misusing state machinery to target the opposition. Yogendra Yadav there, he attacks the BJP, asking why no action is taken against Kapil Mishra and other union ministers who openly made provocative statements. Now, of course, earlier we spoke with Yogendra Yadav. This is what he had to say about the issue.
Sitaram Yechury, Yogendra Yadav, Jayanti Ghosh as well as Apurva Anand have been named in the Delhi police's supplementary charge sheet in the Delhi riots case. And joining me now is Mr. Yogendra Yadav. Mr. Yadav, thank you for joining us here on India Today. First, I want your reaction on the supplementary charge sheet. What do you make of your name actually figuring in the supplementary charge sheet of the Delhi police?
As you know, it is based on what the police calls a disclosure statement.
Yes.
What is a disclosure statement? This is not some witness saying something on oath and verifying it. This is police's own version of what someone told them, on which that person has not even signed. In other words, this is police's fabricated story, and what they have said in that story is that people like me and Sitaram Yechury would go and give inflammatory speeches. I think it's a beginning of a big joke. If the police wants to know what Sitaram Yechury and I said to people, they don't need to ask some accused. Every single speech that I gave is in the public domain. There are videos and it is available on my Facebook page. Please go and check it out. Why doesn't the police at least give one statement, 2 sentences of what I said which was inflammatory? Because there is none. And I'm afraid, Akshita, this is the beginning. It's a joke, but the full comedy show is still to unfold itself. I guess people are beginning to be tired of Kangana Ranaut and Sushant Singh Rajput. So we need a new season of a comedy show. So in the next few days, I suspect we would see lots of deep conspiracy theories, some WhatsApp group messages, but no one would show you the videos which are available in public. No one would talk about Mr. Kapil Mishra, who took out not one but several speeches, who gave incited people in the presence of police. No one would question Union Minister Anurag Thakur, who in public exhorts people and gets naras of Goli Maro, and then shooting does take place after 2 days there. No one is going to interrogate that woman who in the middle of riots said Maro ya Maro. She appeals that. Have they been arrested? Is there an FIR? Have they even been questioned by Delhi police? The Delhi police, which for the last 6 months has not been able to even identify its own people, Delhi police personnel, for whom there is a video of a young boy being beaten and killed, video of Delhi police destroying CCTV cameras. Delhi police is unable to identify them. And
but
who
Mr.
do they
Yadav
identify? Professor Apurva Anand, one of the sanest voices in this country. Who
Yes.
do they identify? Rahul Roy, who went at midnight to the court to get a hospital opened.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.